Go on.
Alright, that's the unboxing. Alright, that's the unboxing. Thanks.
I know how to film, bro, don't worry.
Oh shit.
Go on
You
then.
filming? Oh hello. Got a box from Japan. We're gonna open it. There's some wheel. Oh, should I tell them? Yeah, I told them.
Yeah, go on.
There's some wheels, but you have to wait and see what wheels. Oh, by the way, show them where we are.
Fucking McDonald's and it's pissing down right now.
Proper pissing down.
I'm getting wet for this video, so you best be thankful.
Jeez. I think I'm gonna have to pull it out.
Yeah. Box is gonna have to get wet.
Wet out.
Everyone's like, what the fuck is this guy filming our box? Getting opened. What's inside? A fucking bomb or something?
Yeah. Jeez. Bro.
Some green stuff. What's in there?
This is motorbike parts. Whoa, that's heavy. What the fuck? What is that?
Wait, you don't know what you ordered?
Oh, they're my wheel nuts for the wheels.
Oh, mad.
Oh yeah, I ordered a spare set, so I'm gonna sell them. Oh yeah, if anyone needs some Nissan lug nuts for SSR wheels, shank nuts, hit me up. I have some brand new.
What's that then?
I don't know. I think that's the wing mirror. That's like a peace sign wing mirror for the scooter.
That is so gay.
You're gay.
And now onto the main event.
The main event indeed.
If you can get them out. Ooh, okay. I call a little
They are
glimpse.
fat.
Yeah, what J are these?
HJ.
Oh, they are
HJ.
fat.
Oh, they are fat.
Those are pretty fat, yeah.
Anything else?
You could probably fit in this box, you know.
Can I get in?
Yeah, go on. Like some fucking cat.
Send me to Japan.
Yeah. Import fees.
Yeah, actually pay import fees.
Human trafficking fees. You can definitely fit in that. Go on, squash yourself in. I'm gonna close the lid. Go on. Yeah, you can definitely fit in there. What the fuck? Oh shit, was that your head? And now let me sit on top just for good measure. Nah, I'm joking.
Surprise. Oh shit, can you give me a hand?
Wow. We haven't really finished unboxing yet, have you? A knife would be very much appreciated at this stage.
Oh wait. Oh, it's pissing.
Bro, I'm getting soaked out here.
Same.
I should be getting a raise right now.
You get to see them. Oh, come on. I don't know why they always do this. They put so much.
So much shit around it. Unnecessarily.
Okay. Come on. Get the face in.
We need some better lighting. People are fucking...
Ready?
Yeah, go on. Sheesh! A bit rusty around the nuts, but whatever.
I've got new nuts.
You're fucking sorted. They
Look
are,
how
you know.
fat they are. Okay, let's go.
I want to see them on your car ASAP, fam.
Soon come. I take a picture of them, please. I swear.
That's the thumbnail.
That's it. That's the video.
That's the thumbnail.
Oh.
Go on.
All right. That's the unboxing. Alright. That's the unboxing. Thanks.